Hi students, how are you? Hope you all are good and healthy at home. Welcome you all to the session. Today we will discuss the topic Internet of Things, IoT. The Internet of Things or IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, people that are provided with unique identifiers UIDs and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. By using this IoT, the devices can transfer data over the network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. IoT makes one's dumb devices smarter by giving them the ability to send data over the internet, allowing the device to communicate with people and other IoT enabled things. Practical applications of IoT technology can be found in many fields or areas today, such as health and fitness, home security, transport, shopping, and smart cities. In this health and fitness, the IoT smart gadgets like Fitbit, Jawbone, Misfit, etc. that monitor your heart rate, blood pressure, etc. and take action accordingly, such as sending emergency messages or updating daily fitness log or contacting appointed doctor, etc. Home security. There are many home safety and security devices for everyone that enable video surveillance, motion, temperature and air quality control to help you protect your family and your home when you are not around. Transport. Driverless cars can not only drive on road without drivers, but also can be in touch with servers all time. Shopping. There are smart refrigerators nowadays that can order for grocery items as soon their quantity in fridge goes below a set level. Smart cities. The IoT technology is main enabler of making smart city a reality. Smart surveillance, automated transportation, smarter energy management systems, water distribution, urban security and environmental monitoring, etc. are examples of Internet of Things applications for smart cities. The connected smart home is a good example of IoT in action. Internet-enabled thermostat, doorbells, smoke detectors and security alarms create a connected hub where data is shared between physical devices and users can remotely control the things in that hub. That is, adjusting temperature settings, unlocking doors, etc. via a mobile app or website. Internet of Things. Everything we can control. Okay. Next one, sensors. Sensors are sophisticated devices that are frequently used to detect and respond to electrical or optical signals. A sensor converts the physical parameter, for example, temperature, blood pressure, humidity, speed, etc. into a signal which can be measured electrically. Okay, here read sensor positioned at each end limit position. Each end limit position. Magnet moves with the belt causing switch activation. Okay, sensors. Next one, smart cities. A smart city is an urban area that uses different types of electronic Internet of Things sensors to collect data and then use insights gained from that data to manage assets, resources, and services efficiently. It includes data collected from citizens, devices, and assets that is processed and analyzed to monitor and manage traffic and transportation systems, power plants, utilities, water supply networks, waste management, crime detection, information systems, schools, libraries, hospitals, and other community services. All the things are included in this smart cities. The smart city concept integrates information and communication technology (ICT) and various physical devices connected to the IoT network to optimize the efficiency of city operations and services and connect to citizens. Smart city technology allows city officials to interact directly with both community and city infrastructure and to monitor what is happening in the city and how the city is evolving. You can see this picture. In this you can see the smart retail, Internet of Things, open data, smart mobility, smart grid or smart energy, etc. These all are included in a smart city. Okay. Okay students, I hope it's clear to you. We discussed the Internet of Things. That's a new age technology that allows computing devices to transfer data over a network like internet without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. Okay. These all are very easy topics. So study these all topics in an effective way. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.